Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Pragmata game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, fatal error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find whatever the requirements that is required to play the game. So here are the required specs. Make sure your PC have all of these, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -d x11 and then launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, type -d x12 and then try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files, so it may take some time, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's the problem is fixed or not. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam. Simply confirm it. After that, log into your Steam account once again and then launch the game and check if it's working now. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. Here is the game. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to delete temp file. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp%, press OK and here will find all the temp files. So you simply have to select it and then click on the delete icon. So this will delete the temp files. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings, click on Windows update option and then click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and then check. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. After that, open it. You will get repair or install option and after that wait for some time and once you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game once again and then check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. If not, move to the next method. Next is to install DirectX. For that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, you have to open it, and after that install DirectX on your system. Once you install DirectX, after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options. Next is to for Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Pragmata game. So finally, if nothing works, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Pragmata game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few solutions to fix Pragmata game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.